How to make money on YouTube. The publisher specifically disclaims any liability from the use or application of the information contained herein or from the interpretations thereof. YouTube saturation. If you're looking to instantly maximize your exposure, generate insane traffic to your website and stand out in your market, there's one very quick and easy way to do it. Advertise your business on the leading video community online, YouTube. YouTube generates millions of visitors a month, over 800 million. 70% of YouTube traffic comes from outside of the United States. YouTube is localized in 43 countries and across 60 languages. You will be able to reach thousands of mobile searchers instantly. It's never been easier to turn viewers into customers and attract new business, all with one powerful viral-based marketing campaign. Plus, YouTube advertising is not only easy to set up but extremely affordable even for those on a limited budget. This special report, YouTube Saturation, will show you how to set up your very first ad quickly while generating instant traffic to your website, all on complete autopilot. I'll also show you how to maximize click-through rates and tear down the competition by putting your ad in front of their customers. Let's get started. Advertising on YouTube. Before you set up your very first ad on YouTube, let's take a quick look at why this marketing channel is such a powerful weapon in building a targeted